ERD does not typically get involved in PC repair, except when it's required because of a custom application that the PC is needed to run. This particular project was for a very specialized polishing equipment, and our customer would have had to replace the entire system if we did not figure out this computer issue. Within this computer was a specialized control board made by Delta Tau, the PMAC Lite, which interfaced and controlled the polishing equipment. We were able to repair the various issues with the actual PC, and as shown in the video, the unit booted up to where it would communicate with the whole system. At ERD, we specialize in solving problems through repair and are ready to work on whatever is necessary to get our customers back up and running. We are always ready to take on new challenges.